I can't believe it.
I finally made it.
You didn't even message me on the way I was starting to worry. Come in and see what first, before we do all that hugging and kissing, come in and see Mittens. See what her expression. She's more thrilled than I am.
I know.
Who's that? Close the door. I have the air conditioning on. Okay?
Don't start.
Honey.
Okay. Oh.
Hi fans of high quality entertainment. Molly's here, as you can see. And we're putting together a fan. I just bought a cheap fan. I've already got 2 fans, and I've got air conditioning, but it's been so hot this summer. I bought a $20 fan. What's it called? The name?
Goon.
Goon? Yeah, it's called Goon. What a name for a fan.
Maybe it's
And we're gonna put it together. I'm helping because, you know, already. Look, I've done this already.
Mittens is helping.
I've done this.
Which isn't right.
No? Well, then you do it.
Yeah.
See, this is what couples do. They, you know, have disagreements, but yeah.
I just don't know what.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the base. You don't need the base.
Yeah, you do first.
Oh, you do first? Okay.
Firstly.
So this is the base. So it's very simple, right? It's like that. See, and just go like that, right, honey? Right? No.
Firstly, loosen and remove the 4 screws from the. Wait.
Oh, what? Are you serious?
Yeah, we remove these.
You gotta remove those screws
Yeah, how do you do that?
with a screwdriver.
No, but it doesn't say you need a.
Why do you have to remove them?
You don't. Sure, line 4 holes in the bars.
Look at Mittens looking at
Oh, these.
See, I knew yeah.
No,
I
yeah, those. See,
Those, yeah.
have to go into those.
Oh.
No, they don't.
Don't point that at me.
Stop.
It's like a weapon. Jeepers.
Oh, I might be using it soon.
Yeah.
Okay. So go like this. First.
I hate directions. I just
Okay.
try and figure it out
But
myself.
the pictures don't look like anything we have. The parts.
Oh my God.
No.
First, loosen and remove the 4 screws from the
That's what I
bars. So these are bars, aren't they? What are about the bars?
Yeah, those are bars. Crossbar A, crossbar B. I guess you go from the bottom up.
So you have to remove these screws?
Yes, it says
Look,
that.
look, you have to remove these stupid screws. I don't want to do any work.
Why'd they
I
even
just
put
wanted
them
a
in?
fan. So I'll go get
That's why it was $20.
You know what? I actually have a toolbox, and there's a screwdriver in there. Which, well, that is not a square. That is a
line.
a what?
I don't know.
It's a
I'm sure
crosshair. You know, it's like a
anyone will work
cross.
'cause it
It's,
goes-
yeah, it's so simple.
I'll have this put together.
I got my Phillips screwdriver. I actually don't know if this is a Phillips screwdriver, but it just sounds like I know what I'm doing. Okay, so I remove these screws.
That was everything that was in the box.
Yeah. I might have to edit this video a bit. Okay. So you sure have to remove this?
So interesting.
No.
Yes, it says that.
Okay,
Remove
so
the screw.
just
And then
the
lose
screws.
them. Yeah.
And then what?
Then we'll lose them.
And then throw them
We'll
out.
lose them.
Throw them in the garbage.
I'm going to see with the screw.
There's 1 screw, 2 screws.
And then you put
You're getting a lot of screws today. There's a
screws.
3rd one coming. Edit that out, maybe. 3.
The
Oh,
whole
who
thing is
cares?
good.
It's just,
The whole thing is
it's
good.
just, you know, it's just all humor. Yeah, here's the 4th screw.
Okay, now put the screwdriver down.
Why not just use this? Like, there. See, I'm cooling off already. Oh.
Oh my god.
I know, it's like, do you push it down? Oh, yeah, you push it down all the way. Huh?
No,
Here.
you leave it like that.
No,
Yeah,
you push it.
Of course you push it. Yeah, there.
Yeah,
there.
like there. There's a, see, you have got to
Okay,
push it all the
wait.
way through.
Now,
That's a good solid base. Ah! Now
Wanna
I
get
get
it.
the screw, right? Okay. Here, give me the Phillips screwdriver.
Wait. Put them in first.
That's what she said.
Well, no, do one.
Balance it
keep-
on my bony knee. And not tighten it, just, you know.
Oh yeah, you can.
No, no, you get them all in there first, okay? And then at the end, this is serious stuff, don't even smile. You know, people actually take us seriously. We're joking here, folks. Well, for the most part.
Here we go.
Yeah. And put that one in there.
I wish it was tighter.
That's what she said.
You're worse than me.
Okay, that one. Yep,
Well,
that
that was a
one.
little tight.
See, then, well, I'm going to tighten up even more with my muscular muscles. We haven't even had a drink or anything. Okay, put the other one in there.
I said we should
Put it. What?
go.
It's always dangerous putting something together with a woman, isn't it? No, it is.
Dangerous.
Yeah. Your life could end at any moment.
Yeah. Okay.
They're all tight.
Base decorative cap. Decorative cap.
Oh,
It's so
that is like a
pretty.
conversation piece when we have company over. Oh, I love that.
Otherwise, it would just not look very.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, so you gotta hide that embarrassing.
No, no. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They're okay. Well, they look
See,
separate.
look at that so far. Look at that. It's like a professional. I could go into the putting fans together business.
Just stand by the fans.
Stand by your fan.
You can have this and snow right there.
Now,
Oh, wait.
can I put this on the floor?
Yeah.
Just needed your permission. Now this goes in. We already did some fancy stuff
You
here.
tell me where.
Well, we did. See, it doesn't go there though, hon. It was the other way.
Well, I'm not sure myself. I'm just
No, something went in there before. What was it? Was it this? It was this. It's the other way around. It's this way. Like I had. This is why you need me. See, and then this. See, it's for the height, right? So we're going to want it all the way up here, like that. And then this will...
No.
It doesn't screw in there, okay. What do we do? Oh, this is fun.
This doesn't go there. Oh my god. Oh wait. Oh.
See, we just guess until it looks like it's going to work.
Oh. Oh.
I wonder if anybody's laughing
No.
as you put this fan together, and I just
There. Then you do that.
right? Yeah. I have put fans together by
Yes,
myself.
I know.
I have.
You keep mentioning.
Well, it's because I don't want to
Now
look
you
like
can
I'm
put that in.
completely
Now you can put that
useless. What are these for?
Wait, no, you can't. Yeah, you
Are these?
I have no idea. They're not even in the picture.
They're not even in the picture. Oh my God. Look at this. What the-
No, that won't fit. That won't fit at all.
You almost hit me. It's dangerous.
Seriously.
Let me see.
Seriously.
That,
Wait. No, that won't fit. And then that won't fit that
no,
way.
it won't. No.
So
That's the way that
what's
goes
up
in.
with that? It's probably so obvious that it looks so stupid. Seriously.
Maybe this just goes on top like this.
Do you let's just read the instructions. Replace height adjustment collar on top of the inner tube, pull the inner tube out of the outer tube, and adjust the tube to the desired. You're right, do not open tighten.
Yeah.
It's just, no, you don't. Loosen and remove the height adjustment collar, which is height adjustment collar 13. This,
Yeah.
to what, yeah, we did that.
Yeah.
So however height you want it.
Yeah,
That
so
doesn't
that's in the
matter.
right
okay.
spot.
And then what was after that? Yeah, okay. If
Okay.
necessary, slightly loosen the set.
I don't understand. See, this has a little bit of
Slide
a...
the switch panel down over the switch panel.
She's smarter than me,
10.
so I'm letting her read it.
Yeah, slide. This is a switch panel.
This is a switch
This is a
panel.
switch panel.
I always knew this. This is, ladies and gentlemen, this is a switch panel.
Slide the switch
Part of a
panel
fan.
down over the inner tube and tighten the set screw. Set screw is
See, there's...
nothing. This is the set screw.
Yeah. Do we take this out?
Well, that's what I wondered, if you have to look, oh.
What? It's a
What
set
I-
screw
Do
there.
you have to, well, you wouldn't have to unscrew all these, would you? That would be stupid.
No, you shouldn't have to take that all apart.
But maybe it's,
Maybe it
if
will
there's
go
something,
in.
if there's something, no, it won't.
But maybe it's because this...
No,
No?
it's literally that it won't go. Which doesn't make any
Now
sense.
this video will be called How to Not Put Together a Fan, right?
How to take a fan back to the store.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to now. It's all over the place and... I want my $20
Position
back.
them.
No wonder it was so cheap. It's like a painter.
Wait. No.
Most fans are not this detailed put together. What are
Over
these
the
things?
As I said, there's no picture for
There's
those,
no
are there?
pictures for these.
There's
Like,
no picture.
what the heck are these? Like, what?
Ensuring. Okay, well, this is just the only place we're stuck at because I can figure everything else out, like the fan
Yeah.
part and the grill
Let me
part.
try and shove it in. No, it's not gonna.
Oh. And what is this thing?
It's like it's. Wait. Hey, we'll take this over to Bob and Sue's tomorrow. I'm serious. Bob will figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
No. Bob, my brother Bob can be in the video if he likes, and we can put it together for
Save
us.
the day.
Well, yeah. What is this? What is this for? What is this little thing for?
That's the inner tube.
Inner tube. Okay, what's it saying? Let me try and
It's saying
figure
to
this
put
out.
that on top of the inner tube. To put that thing.
This is the inner tube here, right? No, I'm saying this is the inner tube.
Yeah.
12. 13 is the height adjustment collar.
It's down here. And we already did that.
Well, then what's this? Why aren't
As
you
I
saying
said,
what
is
this is?
They don't know. I don't.
Because it's not even in the friggin' picture.
Neither are those little things.
See? Look, can somebody out there help us put it together? Like, what is there? You just pause the video and then drive me up a wall. No, seriously. Let's start from the beginning.
We did.
First, loosen and remove the 4 screws. We did that. Be sure to align the 4 holes in the bars. We did that. Loosen and remove the height adjustment collar from the top of the inner tube. Loosen and remove. It says remove. Loosen and remove. Can't.
You can't
Okay.
actually.
No, you can if you take this back out.
Still not gonna fit.
Take that out. Put this back in. Both of our brains together, we still won't be able to put this fan together. Anyway, loosen and remove the height adjustment collar from the top of the inner tube and throw it in the garbage. Slide the base decorative cap, and we did decorative cap.
That's
way
that.
down there.
Yeah, see, and then,
Or are they talking about that?
is there something in this thing? You know what I mean, how that thing fell out of it? Or out of one of them, or was that that? Take it all apart. Start over. I don't think there is anything in there. Oh, but now you have to...
No. Hello! No, there's nothing in there. It's just...
No, there's not. There shouldn't be.
There. What? Maybe.
No, there's nothing in there. You need that thing on
They're very cool looking. Anyway,
there. Next.
that would go there, that. Oh my god. And it's not like we're stupid.
Height adjustment collar is 13, that, yeah. Replace the height adjustment collar on top of the inner tube. On top of the inner tube. Put that on top of the inner tube.
This?
Yeah. Replace the height adjustment collar on top of the inner tube.
Just a minute.
Pull-
Wait.
No,
Wait.
no, do it. Let me finish. Pull the inner tube.
Look. Put it like that.
Yes, pull the inner tube out from the outer tube to adjust the tube to the desired
I need
shape.
a drink. This way?
Honey, pull the...
I know, look. I did it.
Inner
That's it. I've done... No, I haven't. Yes, I have. I've done it. Look.
Yeah,
We've done it. We are intelligent.
How satisfying. Replace the height adjustment...
Look at those muscles. Look at that. She's not looking. Anyway.
You're not sure.
Yes, it only took us a few minutes.
Replace the
Oh my
height adjustment
god.
collar on the top of the... Pull the inner tube out from the outer tube.
It's warped.
Adjust-
It's leaning. It's,
If
just a minute. I'm just so excited that I actually figured something out. Okay.
Yeah, you figured it out.
Well, I did.
Well, we both figured it out.
No. Hey, who figured it out, folks? But it's
Inner
it's,
tube, okay.
Okay. Look. And it's
If
it's
that-
sticking up straight.
If necessary, slightly loosen the set screw. But
Oh, I'm not loosening any
slide the
screws.
switch. Okay, slide the switch panel. That's the switch panel.
Whoa.
Down over the inner tube and tighten the set screw, which is I think that. Right?
Yeah.
And you have to tightly.
Okay, so
screw.
it just goes there.
Position. Okay, now we never get to do.
And we still don't know what these are for.
We'll find out later. What?
It has to do. Has to do with this.
No.
No, it. Where's the?
Where are the grills?
Oh, here. It has to do
No.
with. Okay.
Oh, what? You put them on? You stick them on the outside?
This goes here. It's very. People, you're going to be impressed.
And then you need to put.
Wait, I'm gonna so they can see what I'm doing. I'm in pot. Why is that so loose?
Tighten it. That's not well.
It is.
Easy.
I tighten it so much it's can't put on tight. Okay, I got it. I don't understand this because it should be able to go up and down, right?
No, it tells you to. You decide the height and tighten the collar. So I think once you've decided, you decided. You can move the top, the head thing, go down or up.
This isn't. It's not. It's like too loose. Huh? So maybe it's wrong.
Maybe you just want to lower it a little bit so it's
It's
sturdy.
got to be lower.
I know. So many, that's what she says. It's ridiculous.
Well, these are, you know, the
whole
people,
thing
the
could be
people
about
that write these directions, right? They are probably pretty
Well, I love that
intelligent.
one, right?
They're more intelligent than.
Well, the inner tube, out from the outer tube, just the tube, right of the type.
Oh my God, I'm
Of
having
the
a
tube,
headache.
tube.
So, what makes this shorter? This
Stick
here.
it in,
Stick it in more?
yeah,
Okay.
and
Of
then that'll
course.
sturdy it.
It's not,
Sturdy it?
it doesn't go anymore.
In here.
What?
Just stick that in there longer.
It won't. It'll just.
No, the silver, this
I
tube
know,
in
it won't
there.
go in this, honey.
Well, what did you just do?
I just did this cap thing to tighten it.
Well, it says, can you put it in any deeper that way?
That's what she said.
I know, as soon as I said it.
Oh my God.
Like, yeah, push it in long.
Wait, maybe this way.
No,
No.
because that was the,
Yeah, push it in.
as far as further.
Look, hon.
Oh, well, that's weird. And it won't,
Wait,
What?
I got. See, there's a ridge here that's got to connect.
Okay,
See,
yep.
so maybe I didn't have it lined up right
well, they never
there.
said anything about the ridge.
That's what she said. This doesn't
No.
look right. What?
No, yeah, just try it.
This is not right. This is not right. No, it's going to be all.
It's still going to be the same
It's
thing.
going to be the same. See, it's all loose, and it's tight. It's going to be no.
It's going to be no.
It's. Oh, I've got a headache.
Now try, yeah, put it on the ground.
It wobbles.
Yeah, that's not normal.
No.
Well, what's this? Why is it at an angle? That's not tight. Straighten it out, tighten it.
Okay. Well, maybe. Yeah. It's still the base is not.
No, I know.
This is.
Let me
Oh
try.
my. This.
Yeah, you had it totally. Look at that. Oh, see?
You did it.
Yeah.
I knew it. I know. Yeah. You have to.
You have to calm
But
down.
this is not. This is. See, it's.
Okay, but
it's not right.
wait. Keep tight. Oh, it won't. What the? Look. No.
What are you doing?
I don't. What is up with? What is up with?
We could,
No, that's
we
fine.
could just do
That's tighter.
videos. We could just do videos. Well, you have more muscles than I do. We could just do videos where we put things together.
Yeah, that'd be. See how many we could actually do. I don't think it has anything to grip on. What's that other thing that you did? You throw that black thing
Got
away?
that.
Yeah, that black, or is that in here? You know that black thing that you
Yeah,
threw out there?
yeah.
Where did you put
No,
that? It might be in there somewhere.
it might be in there somewhere.
What are they? Oh, those are for the thing.
It might be in there
It might be
somewhere.
in there
Oh
somewhere.
my God. Hi,
Well,
my
feel how
name is
cheap it is
Larry
anyway.
Graves,
Maybe it's-
and welcome to our latest video. Molly and I are putting together a fan. We're going to show you how simple it is to put together a fan.
A
Once we find
high-quality
that
fan.
little thing there that we lost. It's leaning.
Yeah, if you turn the fan on, it's going to go like that.
Oh my God. You know what? And then we finally get it together, and I just hurt my foot. And then it doesn't work, right? We plug it in, and it's like, oh, it's defective. Okay, I'm gonna take this back out for a second. There, no, that's not it there. So where's that
Where
thing?
did that thing go? Here it is. I almost lost it down.
Oh, this. You know what? That's gonna
probably-
brace it. Or no, yes. Does this go on? Does this screw on here? No,
It doesn't say anything about that part. I
that
don't
is
know.
weird. But it was on.
It was on that, so put it on that, stick that on that, and then screw that thing on there.
have it.
Yeah.
Screw what
No,
thing on
put
there?
that on there. Not on that. On that.
On this?
On that.
Right. It won't fit.
Well, I didn't know that. Don't
No,
you-
I'm just saying.
Get mad at me.
I'm just frustrated. I'm not snapping at you.
What about that? Does that go up there? Make that tick? Yeah. No. It's crazy me.
We are visiting my brother tomorrow. It'd be like a two-parter video.
Okay.
Seriously.
What if it's just we're putting it together right? It's just a really cheap
I don't know
thing. There's no mention, no picture of that thing.
Well, this.
That.
Let me
That
see.
might have
This.
just that, yeah,
This.
yeah,
There's no
that.
mention of it.
No, and that might just be maybe it's just a when they packaged it.
I need a drink.
That'll help.
Oh my God. This.
No. Really one.
I'm just guessing
I know,
anything because
I
I'm
know.
desperate.
No, that's all good. That's what you're supposed to do is put it like that. This does not go there at all.
No.
So you had it right. I think it's just.
I ain't saying nothing. Jeez.
Yeah.
That doesn't look. That
no,
doesn't look
because
right.
Because that's why it's wobbling. Because it's not even secured underneath.
But this, you think it's. That's why I
can't
thought,
do
oh, this
it.
will just brace it, but it's not.
Is this in backwards? No. Upside down, I mean? No. It's. No, that's right. Watch your feet.
So does this come out? No, it doesn't.
No, because it needs to be that
See?
correct.
There could be a video on YouTube for how to put it
Goon?
together. I'm
Yeah, look up
serious.
Goon fan.
Goon fan. Oh
There'll be
Lord.
lots. There'll be lots.
Talk to the audience there, because I won't edit this video at all.
Yes, you will.
Yes. 99390. All games neutral. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4 answers?
Wait, stop.
Check.
Put that one. And lift it up. Through this.
Oh
Oh my god, here.
no.
Wait, this way. Come here. Watch. Here we go. Yeah, watch. I think this should be in here. Then what? Just leave it here. Here's what there's
I seriously need a drink. Okay, I'll unscrew these and you go get us a drink.
Really?
Yeah, seriously.
Okay, unscrew
Just
those.
have a vodka and pineapple juice.
Oh, just what?
Nothing, it's just. We'll look back on this and we'll just laugh or cry.
Every time you see the fan, you'll remember it.
Remember that day putting together the fan? I have no idea what I'm doing.
Gotta wait, I'll help you. Yeah. Make sure it's the right.
I get it.
See?
It's so easy. Look,
I know, that'll be sturdier.
now that's gonna work. Oh my God. I feel so silly. I just feel silly.
Thank goodness that guy put the video online.
Yeah. And the thing is, I don't know. I'm not a handyman, right? And, you know, but I've done things, you know.
But
I
wait,
have.
this
So-
is the mystery.
So this is right now, right? See, look.
Did you get out of his video?
No,
Oh.
it's still there. But this is,
Yeah.
no.
No, don't pull it up.
No, it's got it,
Yeah, that's right.
but,
But how
and the
come,
ridge
what
is
was
there.
the difference then?
Or should it be because if the ridge is inside there, it would stop here.
Yes, this
So-
ridge was supposed to go in here, right? You're supposed to go from this way.
Yeah, I tried that
Oh,
one.
it won't go?
Well,
See?
see, it won't go through. That's what I'm saying. I tried it.
Okay, so we're back to the same thing. It should, because this goes in the thing, this thing.
Where are the screws? I just put them here.
One fell right down there.
Yeah, they're all
there.
there. Maybe we won't put this online.
What? What am I doing?
No, it's just
Look, you did.
you. Oh, honey,
just
you
had to
did
pull
it.
it.
That's what she said.
All right, I'll hold it. You screw it. Eh? The whole thing could be.
Oh, this is just. Here. Here, let me screw.
Oh, image.
Hold it steady. I'm joking. Say something to the camera. You never talk to the camera like I do.
What do you say to the camera?
Say, I love you all.
Yeah, that's all I ever say.
I love you all.
Don't make me too tight.
I know. I'm the one that told you. Oh, I need a drink. This is vodka and pineapple juice.
It's like we're on vacation. Is it good?
It's actually very good, yeah. Really. Like all you really taste is the pineapple. Yeah.
I haven't tried it.
I haven't even thought about you. I'm so thoughtful.
Oh.
I am thoughtful. When you're coming to visit, I make sure there's some nice cans of cold ginger ale in the fridge ready for you.
And ice in the freezer.
And ice in the freezer.
What more could I ask? So, jeez. Watch my toes.
Oh, we gotta watch this back later. I can't. Oh my god.
Want me to do it?
There we go. I think I told you the story. When my son's, like my youngest, Michael, he was like 5 years old, and he had some problem with his bike, right? And he, you know, I would sometimes fix stuff for him, but this time it's like I had no idea what I was doing. He had a toy toolbox, and he fixed his bike. Yeah. And that made me feel
Where did
just
you
so.
get that from?
Yeah, my dad.
Yeah.
I'm just not a mechanical kind of
You're
person.
doing a great job.
You know, I'm fairly. No, I am. I think I'm
You're
fairly
hard.
intelligent. I mean, average probably, but it's like I'm not stupid. But with mechanical stuff, yeah, I'm stupid.
Well, these directions are.
And we still don't know. Don't want to lose these. Still don't know what these are. Long sword.
Okay, now this.
Yeah, that nub.
The.
What's this? And that's that thing that fell out. You don't even know what that is.
Add it to the pile of mystery.
And this.
I don't know if you even. I think they're just.
We should watch the rest of that video maybe. But we'll try this first. So that's
Now add weight. Because that dent thing has to go. No,
Yeah, we'll
wait,
do
wait,
that,
wait, wait, wait. Oh, see? We need the decorative thing. Or else it won't look good. So many people are going to see this thing.
like mittens with their paws hanging up.
Okay. Now this. On there
Yeah.
with that.
Yep.
that
Okay.
that
Oh, that's much more solids. You've had enough to drink. Okay, one sip. I should.
Make sure it's straight.
Yep, I think that's good. Oh, gotta get tight.
Nice and tight.
There.
Okay, now you can do the. No, yeah. That.
No, yes. That one.
The grill. Now you put the grill on. That's all good, right?
Yeah.
Now you can put that on. Back grill on.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do.
You weren't.
I was.
Move it. I want to get done then. That's
Yeah, well, I'm going to lower this so they can see how...
Well, then you said it. Oh, no, you can't now.
Whatever. Okay, I'm going to put this... Well, I just want them to
bring it back.
be amazed so they can see the full assembly of this thing. That is so flimsy. Like,
Still?
well, it's, it's all
The
ready.
base, the
It'll get
base is
ready.
all cheap.
Yeah. You'd think you'd have a good product for $20.
$19.90.
Now we need that there.
Wait. Mounting
No.
that.
No.
Need a
we
ma-
No, I know. This goes, I don't even need directions.
No, you have to put a mounting nut in between that.
That's crazy. That's nuts.
Which one's the mounting nut? No.
Well,
wait, no.
this one here. This one, that one, right there. Trust me. Here, give me that. That's it. It goes there. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Tighten or regularly like?
Mounting that.
Yeah, mounting that clockwise. Do not over tighten. It says in bold in capital.
Oh, there we go.
And do not over tighten it. Push the fan blade onto the motor shaft, located the slot at the back of the blade on the drive pin that passes through the motor shaft. Not too tight. Do not over tighten it.
It's not.
I don't know why you can't tighten it too much.
I don't think this is right.
But yeah, that's
Just like that. Okay?
if that's a mounting nut. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Position the rear grille against the front of the motor housing with the handle uppermost, ensuring that the locating pegs are in the motor housing
Oh my
and
God.
they engage correctly in the hole of the rear grille. Yeah, you got them in those hole things, right? Or you just put it
I just put them
randomly?
randomly.
No, you have to put them in that. Position the rear grille against the front of the motor housing with the handle uppermost. Handle, give a handle. Ensuring that the locating pegs on the motor housing are engaged correctly in the
Like that.
holes.
There.
Yeah. Of the grill. Tighten the rear.
With this?
Tighten the rear grille mounting nut, if that's what that is, clockwise. Yeah, that's gotta be that. There you go. Push the fan blade, make sure,
Yeah.
onto the motor shaft, locating a slot at the back of the blade and the drive pin that passes through the motor shaft. Tighten the blade cap by turning it clockwise with the blade cap. This?
There. That's on.
Is that a blade cap?
Is that a blade
Yeah,
cap?
I don't know.
You don't know a blade cap?
Grill nut.
Are you calling me a grill nut?
Tighten the blade cap. Turn
I'm
it
trying to.
Position the front grill again. Yeah, that's easy now. We got it. There.
Just a second.
Make sure goon is upright.
What goon upright? What goon? Oh, that. Yeah. Who cares, right?
After
No, I
all,
don't want
that would
the-
drive me nuts.
I don't want to advertise goon.
Just keeps going round and round. You sure that's the part? It's gotta be. That's the only
gotta
part.
be. You do it. Here. This is a 1 hour special.
What's special?
I might edit a minute or two of it. But that's it. That's the other way, maybe?
Yeah, it's saying Titan is this.
Oh, the other way. Oh, that's right too. That's what I.
Why?
Yeah.
But it says clockwise.
Yeah, you're so used to.
You know.
Yeah. Yeah. There. Yeah, it was counterclockwise.
But it doesn't
and it's
say that.
clockwise.
Well, the arrows on it says Titan. Here's an actual thing that says Titan. But it doesn't say it in the ingredients and stuff. Yeah, that works
It
now.
says-
That worked now. But why would it be the not
says
righty-
Titan and it
not
has
righty
arrows
tighty?
both
It's like-
ways.
yeah.
Okay, and then we put this on.
And lock it, and then we don't know what to do with these.
I don't think that's. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a.
Position the front grille against the rear gear so the holes in the rims that accept the small nut and bolt are in line. Insert the bolt. Didn't you already just do that? Counterclock. Oh, it does say counterclock.
See that? That's loose. Huh?
Position the
It's
front.
wrong.
Well, no. Listen.
Yeah.
Position the front grille against the rear grille so that the holes in the rims that accept the small nut and bolt are in line. Insert the bolt. Wait, slow down. Have another drink. What do you mean? What's wrong with that? What is wrong with that?
It's too loose. Look at it.
These have to be screwed. Do you have a little screwdriver? Right? These are the bolt. Do not fully tighten at this stage. Well, why? Fully and then fully tighten this right after. Fully tighten the small nut and bolt that pass through the rim of the grill.
Okay, so.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
once
but
they're
I'm
aligned,
just
then
saying
you
this.
tighten
This
it.
here.
No, that moves. You can move that. That's the point. Up,
I know,
down,
but
and side to side. Let me see. That's perfectly normal for that.
This is normal.
Yes, because it goes up and down and side to side.
Okay, whatever.
Now
Yeah.
you have to screw these little. Oh no! Look. No,
Yeah,
you
it just
didn't do.
goes
No,
in.
you didn't do it. You get out of line.
Look, I didn't know about
I
these
know,
little
I didn't
tiny
either.
screws. Okay.
Imagine losing those. Okay, wait.
Yeah, it's got a little. Got to take that
Wait,
off.
I'll do it. Can you move your finger?
Well, I'm gripping it so it's
Can
not
you move
spinning
it
and
up?
spinning. I'm gripping it on this side so you can
But I
take
was going
it.
to use both my fingers. It's easier for me.
Is it too late in my life to start shooting up heroin? Just what?
Just easy. Okay. Wait.
I'm letting you do it. I'm just holding the top.
There.
Yeah, well,
wait.
let me push that
Don't
through.
touch it.
I'm gonna put these on.
No. Because you can't do it and tighten it yet. Because I got to do the other one. Where's the other one? Up top?
Yep. I'll do the up top.
Oh my gosh, it feels so little.
There isn't one on top, huh?
Well, there's got to be another one somewhere.
No.
Or is this the only one?
That's the only one.
Position the front grill guns remove the holes in the rims except the small nut and bolt. Oh, okay. There's just one.
So is it?
Yeah, you can do that now. But then why does it say do not fully tighten at this stage? Fully tighten the small nut and bolt that pass through the rim grill.
Oh, don't listen to them. They don't know what they're talking about. They give you parts they don't even know what to do.
Wait.
You said I could tighten them. Now you're saying wait.
Well, I'll just wait. That is sturdy.
Yeah.
This thing's gonna go flying off.
Ladies and gentlemen,
It falls apart.
we're gonna plug in the fan in a minute.
It said don't plug it in until you fully assembled it.
Yeah,
Like, okay. Just
stand
plug
back
it in.
20 feet when plugging in for the first time.
Now, throw these in the garden. What are they?
Look at them. We have 4 of these. They must.
And there's no mention of them or picture of them.
I don't know.
This product is permanently lubricated. Don't use that. Okay, and then we don't know what this is either, or this. I guess they're just, we'll find out
It
when
looks
we
like
turn
a
it on.
fan to me, though. It kind of looks like.
Stand back. Wait, to use, place the assembly fan on a flat surface
Really?
and ensure it's at 0. That
Is there any
means-
speeds to this, or just one speed?
There's 4 right there. See these buttons?
Oh, okay.
Plug the power cord in and turn it on. Yeah. Low, mid, low. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. So I'll get the video working with the cameras. I'll be so impressed.
It doesn't turn on at all.
Okay, are you ready?
Don't put on me. Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Get me in the shop.
You're so proud. And your broken lamp at the back.
My broken lamp.
Yeah.
Yeah. I kicked it
Next
back.
we'll put together a lamp. Whoa.
Hi fans of high quality entertainment. I put this fan together.
All by yourself.
Pretty cool, eh? And you know, after all this, and all of the times you were wrong putting this fan together, I still love you.
Sing into
Why
it.
did you go like
Sing
that?
into it.
What?
Sing into the thing.
Hello, baby, I love you so
Okay, that's enough.
That's cool.
Okay,
I've never done that before. Why?
How do we turn it off?